Hey guys, I'm out here today at 1042 Maple Woods Drive. I'm out here in Liberty, Missouri. Wanted to let you guys in on a little secret. The market has not crashed. We predicted last year we'd see the market go from 100 miles an hour down to about 55, and we've been open now for 27 minutes. We've had 5 groups. There is 2 cars that just pulled up right there. I think they're waiting for their agent to come through or waiting for me to get out of the way. I don't know which. Here's another car pulling up. So it's not dead. The market, if anything's finding balance right now. Let me go back to my car and stop scaring people off. But the market's not crashing right now. It went from 100 miles an hour down to about 65, and some people are still doing 70. But what that tells you is that there are opportunities in the market. It's not so hot now that you have to buy something you don't want. Last year, 70% of buyers bought a house they weren't happy with. I don't think there's a reason you'd have to do that this year. I wouldn't have bought a house just for the interest rate. They talk about date the rate, marry the house. I know that's cliche, but it's so true. Taking advantage of a low interest rate just to turn around and be unhappy with the house and have to resell it sure doesn't make sense. There's a know-it-all, right now who says that the market's about ready to crash. I know there's people that really want to see the economy crash and they want to come in and scoop up all the deals, but that's just not what we're seeing this year, and it's not on the horizon. Anyways, if you think about buying or selling and you want to talk to an expert about it, you can give me a call or my team a call, 816-439-8705, 816-439-8705, and we'd be happy to help you, answer any questions, let you know what your house is worth, and help you put together a plan on how you move to the next chapter of your life.